In this video, I will show how to remove graph border in Microsoft Excel. So firstly, create graph, select your data, insert, and select any type of graph. Now to remove this graph border, double click on it, then format. Now here shape outline. So select no outline and click anywhere. So this is the first method. Another method, double click on it or right click on it and click on format chart area, and here in the field expand border and select no outline. If any another is selected, so select no line and click anywhere. So these two methods you can remove graph border. Also you can change the background color. So thanks for watching.